Looks like a best spot for the sunset. Hello. Today one of those days when I did absolutely nothing. Just staying at home, watching some YouTube videos, some tutorials, and nothing really else. The only thing what I can do is just to do a review of current situation. Today is July 20, last day of the lockdown. The lockdown what they announced 3rd of July, and we'll see what will happen tomorrow. They talking about extension, and it's been happening all the time. I'm already sick of all these extensions. There's already a lot of complaints from the local communities. They already sending letters to president, to the government of the island, to everyone. They just simply, I cannot understand what's going on. Come on, guys. We've been living in, like previously, we lived 1.5 years and nothing happened. Even it was the beginning of all this pandemic, nothing happened. And now you close all the Indonesia without any serious explanations. You just say there is this splash of the virus again. Well, we don't have any proof of it. It's just this fake statistics. That's what we have to believe, or what you mean? The people. There have been a couple of times when people coming to me and they say, I don't have a food, can you, sir, give me some food? They are not asking for money. That happened twice today while I was driving in Amed. In Amlapura, the more wealthy people, outside the houses they have a stands where people in need can come and get this boiled rice and some eggs and something else. So if you are hungry, you can just simply go there and get this food. But I'm not one of those guys who's complaining, but you are taking away any possibility to do anything. If you created this situation to speed up the vaccination, I can understand, because people didn't want to do it, and now because everything is locked down, they cannot freely move from one place to another one. Then of course they running and standing in a line. They starting like 3 a.m. already. They stand in a line just to get these vaccines. Our stuff, all our stuff is already vaccinated. They got 2 shots already, so no problem at all. But I think when you planned this lockdown, you didn't think about what will be the outcome of it. The outcome is really, really bad at the moment, and when you will open again, I think you will be in a big trouble, just because do you really think that all these people will be able to pay taxes and other stuff? Now there is a quarantine, people don't have money. And now, because they had no money also to pay these taxes for the vehicles, I mean the motorbikes and the cars, now you stop them and start charging fines for not extending this or not paying taxes for the transport. What from they're going to take your money? Tell them, they will do it. Otherwise, you just say, yeah, stay strong, it's important, drink a coffee with arak and you will be fine. It's, I don't know, it's empty talking. It's empty talking at the moment. There's no any support from the government. you actually saying that it's impossible just because there are too many people in need, but then why you created all this situation? It doesn't matter anymore. The people will die because they are starving, or they will die because of the virus. At the moment they choose to get sick, either starving, because I don't wish you ever starve, right? So I think you don't understand the usual people, the people who's living here. All right, I understand here in Amed, mostly all the people are farmers and they will survive, believe me. There's no big trouble. They are not really rich, but they will definitely not starve like yesterday's episode, right? So we just went and we got all this palm, what is it, sugar palm tree fruits. Eat it, you will definitely not die. There's a lot of vitamins. Okay, everybody around here is farming rice, corn, will be fine. But what about the people in Sanur and Kuta who actually came to build all that place and to work in a tourism, and then they didn't want to go back home to Lombok or I don't know, Jakarta. They stayed here, they living from the tourism. What do you advise them to do? Kind of, yeah, maybe I'm talking too much, and maybe, like I always say, maybe I don't see all the picture, but then tell us, because we cannot, that's the most terrible thing, is to live and without understanding what's going on. I bet tomorrow nothing will be over. We're gonna continue with another couple of weeks of lockdowns. That's my prognosis. If it's like that, we cannot live without working forever. We have to pay salaries. The end of the month is coming. We have to pay rental. Where we're going to take that money, I still have any idea. We definitely will find a way at least to support our staff. That's what we've been doing already more than a year, 1.5 years already. And it's really, I'm just trying to be optimist. You know me, and I'm never like a kind of complaining, but I'm kind of frustrated at the moment, because if I would understand what someone is going to do, I would make a plan and would move towards this plan. But at the moment, I have no idea what to do. All right, that's it for today. Nothing really else to add. Looking forward into the future for better times. And thank you very much for following us, commenting, also smashing that like button. And follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.